Hey, what is up, guys? John here at TEMU. Welcome to the channel. So today we're going to be looking at the CMF Buds Pro 2. So guys, in this video, we're going to unbox these. We're going to see what we get inside the box. We're going to see what the build quality is like. And more importantly, we're going to see how they fit in sound. And I'll let you know what I think of them. So guys, this is the box they come in. We've got some CMF branding, Buy Nothing up top, Buds Pro 2 down here at the bottom. We've got LDAC support, high-res audio. So very cool. These should sound amazing. On the side here, we've got CMF Buy Nothing. And we've got some specs here. Hopefully you guys can see that. Let's go over this real quick. We've got hi-fi sound. There's dual drivers in this thing. There's one that's 11 millimeters and one that is 6 millimeters. And again, this has LDAC support, ultra bass technology, they say. We've got active noise cancellation up to minus 50 decibels. We've got 6 high definition mics for clear calls. There is smart dial. We've got spatial audio effect, and we've got dual connectivity. So these things could connect to multiple devices. And that's what we got in the back. Boom. But before we unbox these, let's go over some more of the specs real quick. A couple different colorways. We've got an orange, we've got the white, and then there's a black, and then there is a blue. And as far as playtime goes, you've got 7 hours on a single charge with up to 43 hours using the case to charge. So that's really good. What is really cool with this one, so this is the CMF Buds Non-Pro, and CMF, like on their phones, has this little dial here. On the Non-Pro, it's just a way to put a lanyard in here, but it doesn't do anything else. But on the Pro, it can control your music, it can control active noise cancellation. It actually does something. So that is really cool. I'm excited to try that out. So the Buds Pro, just like the normal Buds, you can also connect with the app and adjust your EQ settings. So that's really cool. You can customize what the buttons do as well. That's very nice. So these are IP55, so no problem taking these out with you. Taking these to the gym and getting sweat on them shouldn't be a problem. All right, so enough talking, let's unbox these things. So we've got a little user guide, call it the connection guide. And here's the case. We'll look at that in a sec. And on this side, you get ear tips. So here you got ear tips. We've got small and large. Mediums are going to be installed from the factory. And here you got your charging cable, USB-C to USB-A. And that is it, guys. Nothing else in the box. So guys, as far as the ear tips go, make sure you try out each size to make sure that you get the best fit and sound. Luckily for me, mediums tend to be my size. So guys, so here is the case. Again, we've got this. It looks super white on camera, but it's more of a chalk color. And we've got some CMF branding right here in the corner. Very cool. Got your USB-C port on the back here. And then we've got that, once again, that dial. So size-wise, they're similar to the Non-Pro. And weigh about the same. And it's it feels kind of soft. It's not like rubber, but it feels soft. I like it. It feels good in hand. And guys, those are the earbuds. Very nice. I really like this colorway. On camera, it looks more white, but it's actually like a chalk white with a little bit of gray. And you get some CMF branding in the case right there. I like that. The small details like that, man, I really appreciate. They just make them feel more premium. So guys, here are the earbuds. They are STEM design. They've got touch controls. And this is the left here. Got your charging ports right there on the side. Got some CMF branding there. A nice flat spot for your touch controls. Same goes for the right earbud. All right, let's try them on real quick. And that is how they look, guys. All right, so while we have these out, let's do a shake test and see if the case holds them in, because they are magnetized. Nice. They held them in nice and secure. All right, so let's pair this with my phone. Make sure you got Bluetooth on. Saw that? I opened the case and they automatically went into pairing mode. There they are, CMF Buds Pro 2. And there they are. We are connected. Oh, all right. I've got active noise cancellation on and it's nice and quiet, guys. So let's play some music real quick. Let's see what we got. Loonies. I got, oh my God. Yo. That bass though. Guys. Yo. These bump. And this is just the stock setting. Man. Guys. These sound great. Vocals are clear. It's more on the bass heavy side, not gonna lie. But I like that. I like that. They sound great, guys. Some Ja Rule with Ashanti. I'm like at 30%, guys, as far as volume goes. And these are loud. Let's see what this does from the factory though. Let me turn that down. Man, these are loud, guys. These are loud. All right, they don't do nothing that way. All right, guys, out of the box, this little thing does not do anything. Let's connect it to the app. Where's my app? Nothing X. Device. Pair a new device. Buds Pro 2. You saw how quickly that popped up? Set up this device. Man, guys, the bass hits. Okay, so we've got double tap to skip forward and answer calls. Triple tap to skip back, hang up calls, decline incoming calls. Tap and hold for noise control. That is all. And smart dial, let's try that now. Bam. So single press, smart dial, single press, no action. So in the app is where you would set up your smart dial controls. So that's cool. I'll do that later. Firmware update, I'll do that later. 90% out the box for both of them. So again, 7 hours of nonstop listening, and then additional 43 hours using the case to charge, which is sweet. And we got equalizer. So here we got the equalizer. We've got pop, classical, enhanced vocals, rock, electronic. And then you've got the, I don't know how to pronounce that, Dirac. I'll have to read into that. I think it's some type of AI type feature. Then you've got custom, where you can adjust your settings from there. Saw that? Boom, +6. I'll just leave it there for now. And I probably, where is it? I think I'll probably like pop more. So yeah, I like pop, guys. It's got plenty of bass, but it's not overpowering the mids or highs. It sounds really good. So pop is the setting that I'll be using. Very, very nice. And while we're here, let's do a mic check. Hey, what is up, guys? John here at TEMU Go, doing a quick mic check on the CMF Buds by Nothing Buds Pro 2. Microphone check 1, microphone check 1, 2. Let me know what you guys think. Do we sound good? Is it clear? Let me know down in the comments, guys. All right, guys, so some final thoughts. So these earbuds are coming in a little under 60 bucks. You've got a lot of features. They've got active noise cancellation. You've got high-res audio, LDAC high-res audio. You've got 43 hours of playback when using the case to charge. IP55 dust and water resistance, and you've got app support where you can really set them up to your liking. like the equalizer, or like how this dial works. You can set this up to do things. So it's a very nice pair of earbuds with a lot of sweet features that I think can rival the best of them. So if you are looking into a pair of earbuds and don't want to break the bank, I definitely check these out, man, because again, these are packed with features and they sound amazing.